Hey there, fellow pet lovers! Traveling with your furry friend can be an amazing adventure, but it does take a bit of extra planning to make sure it's both affordable and enjoyable for everyone involved. Let's dive into some great tips for budget travel with pets. First up, let's talk about planning your trip. When choosing a destination, look for places known for being pet-friendly. Spots with pet-friendly parks, trails, and accommodations will make your journey smoother. Don't forget to check the regulations for traveling with pets. Depending on where you're going, you might need to meet certain vaccination requirements or even get a pet passport. And of course, plan your route carefully. Make sure it includes plenty of stops for exercise and bathroom breaks to keep your pet comfy and happy. Now, on to finding affordable, pet-friendly accommodation. Websites like Bring Fido and Pets Welcome are great for locating budget-friendly hotels and motels that welcome pets. Alternatively, you can check out vacation rentals on platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo. Many of these are pet-friendly and provide more space for your pet to feel at home. If you love the great outdoors, camping is another cost-effective option. Many campgrounds allow pets and offer lots of space for them to roam. When it comes to transportation, traveling by car is often the easiest and most budget-friendly option. Just make sure your pet is safely secured with a seatbelt, carrier, or travel crate. If you're considering public transport, check the pet policies for buses, trains, and ferries. Some systems allow pets for free or a small fee, but others may have restrictions. And if you need to fly, compare pet fees among airlines and book in advance. Make sure your pet meets all travel requirements and choose airlines with pet-friendly policies. Packing for your pet is another important aspect. Be sure to bring enough food, water, and treats for the trip, along with your pet's favorite toys and bedding. It's also a good idea to pack a first aid kit. Don't forget identification tags and a microchip, plus copies of vaccination records and any necessary travel documents. Comfort items like their blanket or a piece of your clothing can also help make your pet feel at home. Finally, let's talk about saving money. Look for free or low-cost pet-friendly activities like hiking trails, beaches, and dog parks. These outdoor attractions are not only budget-friendly, but also a great way to explore new places with your pet. Research local pet services in case of emergencies. Knowing where to go for grooming or veterinary care can save you time and money. And consider getting pet insurance to cover unexpected medical expenses. It can provide peace of mind and help you avoid high vet bills. By following these tips, you and your pet can enjoy budget-friendly adventures and create unforgettable memories together. Happy travels!